In this video, we will see how to count the instance of elements in a list and print them in dictionary. Also, we will see how to find the element with maximum instance in the list. So over here, we have been given a sample list and we are expected to give an output of a dictionary with key being the element and value being the instance. So we have copied that and we have done the common declaration over here, sample list. So there are two ways, one is iterative and another is collection module method. So to do iterative methods, we have to create an empty dictionary that we will use to store our key value pairs. And now we will iterate through the list. So for I in sample list, we will check if I is in the key. So I in output dictionary dot keys. If I exist in the keys, we will increment the value of the key. So to do that, we will do output dictionary the key and we will do +1, and if the value does not exist, so we'll do an else condition, we will instantiate that key in the dictionary. So and we will declare it as 1 because it's the first instance of it. And now let us print the output dictionary. And let's see the results. So we will get that 1 was repeated 4 times, 3 has 5 instance, 4 has 4 instance, and so on and so forth. There is a cleaner and a easier, I wouldn't say easier, but there is a way where Python gives us a module called as collections with a class counter. So let us import that from collections import counter, and now we will create output dictionary and we will call the class and give it the list over here, so sample list. And now when we print the output dictionary, we will get counter this is an object of counter class. So it has a dictionary over here which is more or less same as this, because dictionaries are not ordered, they are key value pairs. So if you see that the 6 has repetition of 8, so there are 8 instances of 6. Now the second part of the question is to find the maximum value of the element in the list. So to do that, we will use the same dictionary that we have created, output dictionary, and we'll iterate through it. But to store the value, we will need two variables, that is max value, and we will instantiate it to 0, and max key, the key of that value, and we also instantiate to 0. And now we will go through the list, and to go through the dictionary, and to go to dictionary we will need to declare key value in output dictionary dot items. This will enumerate the dictionary into key value, and over here we will check that if the value is greater than max value, so we should declare if. So if value is greater than max value, we will update, or we will update the max value to v, and thus the max key becomes key. So in this way we will go through the whole dictionary and then we will find the max value and max key. And now let us print the output, and let us do max key has maximum instances of max value in the given list. So now if we run this, we will get 6 as maximum instance of 8 in the given list. I have a short exercise for the coders. Find the element with minimum instance in the given list. Please post your solution in the comment section. Thank you.